the most easy centerpiece you can make.
Stop it.
And this is my office, so I just add a little decor in my office. So just add a simple garland and few ornaments and lights, and that's it. Hopefully you like this video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting videos, and I will see you in my next video. And tell me how you like it, and which things you like most, and which things you want to try. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is the third series of my winter decor or the Christmas decor, and this is my master bedroom fireplace. So I just do it very simple, very clean. I don't want to do too much, so I just go with one garland and few ornaments and one very simple light. And I bought this fireplace from the Canadian Tire, and this is really nice. I really do like this fireplace because this fireplace has so many options, with heat, without heat, color changing LED lights, so it changes into yellow, blue and mix, and they have a hidden drawer, so I really do like it. So I can put a lot of stuff in this one. And this is the painting I bought from the Home Sense. So I just finished this look. If you do check my other videos, I did my front area, my entrance video and my living room video, and now it's for my master bedroom video. So just do very simple things, not too much decor, and that's it. If you do like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe the channel for more helping videos, if not even with the home decor, way more than the home decor video, a lot of useful videos. So thanks for watching, and give me a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Thank you.